Rowe Ford, Lincoln and Hyundai in Westbrook has a full-service collision center for your repair needs. We offer free estimates and work with all insurance companies. Here at the Rowe Collision Center, we have the ability to work on all make and model vehicles. We are also one of the few Ford aluminum body certified collision centers in New England. We service all make and model vehicles as well. Insurance companies may try to dictate where you go to get your repairs, but you have the right to choose the collision center you want. Insurance companies may say they will not warranty the work if you do not go to one of their collision centers, but the truth is the collision center is the one that actually warranties the work. Therefore, we offer a full, lifetime warranty on all of the work we perform for as long as you own the vehicle. There's no other place better to work on your Ford, Lincoln, or Hyundai, with our factory certified, iCar certified, and ASE certified technicians. Feel free to give Gabrielle a call at 207-856-7486 to schedule an estimate or to schedule your vehicle repair needs.